I picked up a new picture frame from the shop team. I've never used this brand before. I'm curious, does it feel like nice quality? Does it feel sturdy? Is it going to feel cheap, or is it going to feel like good quality? There we go, very nice. Definitely makes it feel a bit more classy. So if you was to wrap this up as a gift, that with all the paper on it looks quite nice actually. And there is the frame itself. It is the silver one. It comes in various sizes. On the back there, you've got your stand. So you can either have it stood up that way or stood up that way. Nice. Hinge feels good. And then you've got your little slideys to remove the back, like so. Lovely. It's going to do the lovely job. It's not overly heavy, but it feels like good quality, which is what I was hoping for. I think these would be really nice if you had like a set of them, so you'd have a set of silver ones. Overall, I'm really impressed. I think it was like a nice quality frame. And I know that obviously if I change my mind, I can have it one way or the other. But yeah, I think it's really nice. Looks smart, sturdy, and feels generally like really good quality. So very impressed.